Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR connection aborted error in Google Chrome on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. Open Google Chrome. Now, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and manage extensions. If you find any extension here which is problematic like this one, if it's on, first turn it off. If that fixes your problem, well and good. If not, then just remove it. The next solution is to clear the browser data. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and then click on history once again. Click on delete browsing data, change the time range to all time and click on delete from this device. The next one is to reset Chrome. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and then go to Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can click on settings and then you can go to reset settings, restore settings to their original defaults, reset settings, and lastly disable proxy. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the internet properties window. Go to the connections tab and then click on LAN settings. Make sure automatically detect settings is checked and proxy server is unchecked. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.